Okay, so we could harrow it, ridge it up, then mulch it,
Yep, and then plant.
and then so no fabric.
No,
Starting over. We are starting over. All good. Make your mistakes, learn your lessons, come back and apply the lessons learned.
I thought about you today. You're on the way.
So Asher is putting some linseed oil. Got a brush now. How is the brush improving things, son?
Yes.
Immensely?
Much quicker this season around.
Yeah. Got this from the thrift store. I don't know if you can see that, but it was $30. And then we have one that's unassembled that was $20. And so we will put trays on these, and this is where we will have some of our seedlings inside of the greenhouse. And David over here is starting on our temporary hosing solution, which I'm about to help him. So
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase.
David and the Calvary. So it is a 4100. Do they still make them?
they don't make the 4100, but they make one. Just
We have been here since this morning. We got a later start because we had to wait on the other tractor that we're using over here. It's a smaller tractor that we're borrowing from a farming friend, and it has a better. He has a better, so we're using that. We're harrowing this side. We re-harrowed it, then we harrowed it, disked it, and ran some rows, but we didn't space the rows quite right. So we are re-harrowing it to see if we can get our measurements right this time and improve upon what we did over here, which we're not pleased with. So it's about 4 p.m. We've been at it for hours. I'm tired. Everyone else is tired. I've been operating the other tractor. My glasses are wet because my son sprayed me with the hose. I wasn't even mad because it's pretty hot today. It's not as hot as it's been, but it's hot enough to make you respect the heat. And neither of the tractors that we're using have canopies. So Josh is gonna finish this up, and then we're going to rerun our rows and relay fabric, and if necessary, redo the other side. Live and learn. This water is so good. I just got it out of our well, and we had our water tested. It's some good water, so feel good drinking it, but it's so cold. Sitting in our little chill spot, had the Bluetooth going, just turned it off so don't get copyright strike. And out here, Josh is harrowing half of the field again, because we're just not pleased with what we've made happen so far. I'm running that smaller tractor, so I'm running beds. It's about 4 o'clock. Ooh, doing the most. All greasy. I did just grease up, y'all. And it's not the best shade of gloss, but my lips were chapped. Ain't nobody trying to be cute out here. Look, hair covered up because I washed it last night, so it's still wet. So I just covered it up so it doesn't get dust in it today. Ain't nobody trying to be cute. I got water all over my glasses because my son sprayed me with the hose. And it's so hot, I'm not even mad. Yeah, that looks good, Josh. All right, so. Yeah. So there's no need to tell us they're not straight because we know they're not straight, but they're way straighter than they were. So we have fabric, then we have the raised beds, and then I'm actually going to also put mulch over the raised bed areas and the little extra side, not raised, I keep saying raised beds, the rows, over the rows and the little side crevices. So it's wider than it was before, which for us makes sense because we are working on trying to set this up so that people can tour it, right? So you need room to walk, and I'm realizing the music is on in the background, so I'm probably gonna get a copyright strike. Hopefully y'all can't hear that because I am not going to re-record this. So let me turn this off.